Before beginning the experiment, we gathered the following materials: a 25 milliliter volumetric flask, a graduated pipette, pipette bulb, and some of the 20% sugar stock solution. When preparing the stock solution, we used as little as needed for the completion of the experiment. First, we primed our pipette with water and put it aside for later use. We tiered the analytical balance, weighed our 25 milliliter volumetric flask, and recorded its mass. This is what a volumetric flask looks like. We weighed a beaker. Before going into our experiment, it's important to understand what a meniscus is. A meniscus is formed because the water molecules are more attracted to the glass pipette than they are to each other, so they cling to the pipette sides. To read a meniscus, you read the level that is under the concave formed by the water. As you see, Noah holds the graduated cylinder right at eye level and reads the measurement right under that curve. The meniscus reads 20.1 milliliters. You estimate to the 10th place for more accuracy. Due to the experiment requiring varying concentrations of the stock solution, we needed to dilute some of it. Diluting a substance requires adding solvent, which in this case was water, to the concentrated stock solution until the desired concentration is achieved. The formula we used for this is C1 times V1 equals C2 times V2. The C is for concentration and the V is for volume. Samantha is seen here making the first dilution using the pipette to extract some of the stock solution, avoiding getting solution in the pipette bulb. Uses her finger to transfer the liquid to the graduated cylinder, first paying attention to the measurement. Then she transfers it to the graduated cylinder, where she will double check the measurement. The meniscus is right at 6 milliliters. Alex is seen here making another dilution using 13 milliliters of sugar stock solution and 12 milliliters of water to give us a final volume of 25 milliliters.
Essentially, the values given from C1, V1, C2, V2 was using the initial concentration of the solvent that we were given, and then the volume, the initial volume, and then we had the final volume, which was supposed to be 25, and we used that to find the concentration of the final product of all of our values.
Lastly, we cleaned all materials and wiped down our workstations.